Do you want to achieve a crystal clear, youthful looking skin? Well, we have an all-in-one treatment that's designed just for you.
IsabellaAesthetic's signature Korean medical-grade skin booster is an award-winning skin treatment. Hailing from Korea, our treatment can certainly boost your skin resistance and brings about a drastic improvement in the skin condition.
I definitely have some concerns with my skin, and I always had to use makeup to cover them.
Even though my skincare routine is pretty extensive, the problem never seemed to go away. That is until I found out about IsabellaAesthetics.
This fountain of youth treatment boasts derma growth factors like EGF and FGF that relentlessly fight aging, making you look much younger. It also contains active whitening ingredients to lighten the complexion while smoothing the skin.
I'm so glad that I did this treatment. Now my skin feels soft, dewy, and radiant at the same time.
So what are you waiting for? Get ready to gleam up with this sure shot treatment.